Welcome back to my first vlog. Today we are going to use the slime box. Now I'm going to show you what's inside this box. So these are the ingredients which we got from the box. This is some kind of sprinkles which I told you what it is, and this is some sand, there's some slime activator and some glue, and the utensils we can use for the sand, and the color we can add for the slime. And we have some ice cream sticks and some cup. I also don't know how to make slime, so we are going to read the instructions written on this page. And if we don't know it either, it will be a fail or a success. You'll get to know later in this video. This is 100 ml of water, and this is 2 grams of spatula, which I just dropped.
You know, you just said spatula instead of borax. Yeah.
Just mix it for 3 minutes approximately. I think now stop. So now we have to leave it untouched for 30 minutes. Till then we will prepare the glue solution. Now we will make glue solution. So now let's mix 20 ml of water into 10 ml of slime glue.
Also mention that you can take any water, like normal water.
Yeah, you can take any water. Hot, cold, normal, anything. Let's stir it.
For how long? 30 seconds. Faster. Why are you counting faster?
We have done waiting 30 minutes for this solution. Now we will mix this solution into this solution. Now I have taken 8 ml of this solution in here. Now we will mix it very slowly.
Now let's wait for 15 minutes. After stirring.
Later.
Now we mix sand into slime. This will get bad. Let's see if I will touch it. Let's see if it's a fail or a this? Now it's so good. Now let's eat slime. I will die for slime. So you should not eat slime, little kids. I think this is success, guys. What do you guys think? Comment below. For content, please subscribe and like, share, and comment for more videos like this.